We are indeed glad that tonight Diwali falls on the same day as our celebrations. And we have a great show here for you tonight, a mix of all the light, color, music, and joy that personifies India. A short poem in tribute of this day. It's the festival of lights today. It's again the day of Diwali. It's the time to dress up folks. It's time to adorn the thali. It's the occasion to throng the temples, pray to the gods, and give them offerings. It's an opportunity to entreat the deities, to bless us all and rid us of sufferings. It's the day to light the diyas, ignite the rockets and burst crackers. But it's also the time to be safe from the fireworks and all the sparklers. But while you spend a time of joy, don't think it's merriment all the way. Out there wait many of those for whom it's no time to be gay. Denied of laughter and smiles for days, they know not what it is to enjoy. Can you not share something that you have? Can you not bring them a little joy? When you can make someone else smile, when you can be someone else's ally, that's when you can yourself be glad. That's when you'll have a happy Diwali. Before we begin, I'd like to appreciate you, the audience, for coming here tonight to support the IGSA and its members. IGSA has always strived to uphold and spread the Indian ethos to the community here in Madison. And your presence here tonight is the best form of encouragement for our activities. Also, let's applaud our performers tonight. They have ignored a lot of research, jobs, teaching, conferences, midterms, homework, and coursework for the last 2 weeks to put together a truly Indian potboiler full of action, romance, tragedy, drama, and dance. Also, I just got some amazing news. I've got to know that some very special personalities would be visiting us here tonight in Madison. So put on your seatbelts, wear your dancing shoes, and take out your hankies, and let's get started. Our first act tonight is a musical invocation to Lord Krishna called Mukunda Mukunda. It is adapted from the film Dashavataram. Dashavataram means the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu, and one of them was Krishna, on whom the song is based. Many believe that Diwali signifies his victory over the demon Narkasura, that is, the victory of good over evil. Performing this song will be Sharanya, Nagateja, Namrata, Nikhil, Anshuman, and Rohit.